Good catch.
Look, you want some? Come here. Throw it down in his mouth. Ready? Throw it in his mouth. Drop it in his mouth. You cut. No, I don't want it.